If you are generating any type of LIC report like premium due, comprehensive insurance chart, or policy register, so it is possible that sometimes the same policy number is being viewed in this report multiple times. So in that case, you need to log in into your iMagic account and then select admin option, which will have miscellaneous in it, where you will find the data repair option, and then you need to select duplicate policy number and click on submit. Then you will have to go back to admin again, where you will find the self repair log report option, where you can check if the issue is solved or not. If it is not being solved yet, then you will have to raise a ticket by mentioning all the necessary report details. You will find the raise a ticket option on the right hand side upper corner of your iMagic login.